Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Ahmad Nur. This time I will explain a little about the economy of shipping. The transportation industry for a very long time and has always been one of the most popular choice today. In 19% of all world trade is the ship. Why if you want to get something from point A to point B, you got some airplane transportation of choice is the fast transport, choice airplane precise, fast tracks and efficient trains. Truck precisely and efficiently trained, which both are best is cheap. This graph shows how important it is to move cargo with different transport options. As you can see, shipping is much cheaper than all the alternative, which explains why shipping is so much preferred over other transport option. But why is that what makes shipping so cheap? There may be different reasons that make shipping so cheap. The first is the scale of shipping operations. They can carry large payload with a relatively small crew. Don't take a polemic ship for example, it can carry uh, 4,500 containers with a crew size of only 20 to 25 people. Because it is carrying so many containers, the cost of one ship will be spread over all the cargo, which makes it cheaper one by one. The second reason is because they are energy efficient and have reset the option. Most cargo ships use bunker oil, which is a very cheap fuel option and only one step above the tarmac when the ship is sufficient. For cruising speed, it takes very little energy to keep enemy speed. For the remainder of the journey, they also walk mostly straight lines which shorten the distance traveled. The third reason why road shipping has nothing to do with the ship itself, but with large ports and the water stroke which the ship passes. Ships have fixed assets like roads or rails to mountain, which reduces cost. Something you will find in port is that there are hardly any people there, but they are still very efficient. This can be done thanks to things like container, which are for moving only one uniform metal box, helping to work fast, uh, helping to work fast in this port, minimizing the time the ship has to stand still, which reduces the cost of each shipment. Uh, Thus, the combination of energy efficient bulk shipping and water travel makes ships the cheapest option for transportation goods around the world. Maybe only here is my explanation. Hopefully, it can be useful for all of us, and I apologize if there are deficiencies. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.